Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute teddy bear. Let's start drawing. Let's start with the shape of his head. Then I draw his nose. I draw his two cute eyes. Eyelashes. And his smiling mouth. I draw his ears. Adorable! Let's draw his body. I drew his cute belly with a heart on it. His legs. He is sitting. Let's draw his arms. I like this! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute teddy bear, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the heart on his belly with this red marker. Orange around the heart. Yellow. Let's color his arms light green. Dark green. Light blue. A little dark blue. Light violet. Purple. And pink. Incredible! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.